Good morning children, hope you all are fine. This is grade 3 science class. Now we are doing revision part. We have completed block 1 and 2 revision. Now we are doing block 3 accidents and safety revision. So in that we have completed S1 and S2 children. Safety at home and safety on the roads. Now today we will revise S3 and practice questions. So what is S3? What did we learn in S3? Safety in school. Safety measures to be followed in school and in the playground, and safety measures followed during an earthquake. Now let us revise from the reader. Now children, open your reader, page number 24. Safety in school. Accidents can happen in schools too. We can also cause injuries to others. Some important safety rules while in school. Be gently with others around you. Walk in the classroom and the corridors. Wait for your turn at the slide and never push anyone. Hold the railing while going up or down the stairs. If you see anyone doing something dangerous, request the child not to do so. So read all these points children. Important safety rules while in school. Safety during an earthquake. Earthquakes can be dangerous as they happen without any warning. Some important guidelines to follow during an earthquake. Hide under a table and hold on to the table. Do not leave the building until the shaking stops. Move away from any windows, lights and fans as they could fall on you. You have to learn these 2 points also children. Safety during an earthquake. Even you have to learn, did you know we could keep ourselves safe by waiting for the traffic signals to turn red for the cars before we cross the road. Even you have to learn glossary also children for each block. Now see the practice questions. Now today you are going to complete, revise the 5th, 6th and 7th, 8th. Unscramble the words below to show how a child could cause an accident in a school playground. So these words you have to unscramble, then you can get how a child could cause an accident in school playground. So already we have written answer for this. See your classworks and revise the answer children. True or false? Run outside in case of an earthquake. We get no warning of an earthquake. What should you do in case of an earthquake? So what should you do in case of an earthquake? We should follow some of the safety measures. So that safety measures you have written in your classwork that you have to learn. Now, is it safe to ride your cycle in a zigzag manner on the road? Why? Suggest another place where you can ride your cycle in a zigzag manner. So write these 2 answers in your revision part children. Write day 6 revision and write the 7th and 8th question answer 2 times in your classwork children. Now we'll see workbook. Now open your workbook children, page number 22. Today you are going to learn S3 is safety at school. Which school safety rules apply in your neighborhood playground? So which safety rules you will apply in your neighborhood playground? So already we have written the answer. That answer you are going to learn and write in your classwork in revision part. Write 2 times this answer children. Rule 1. Do not push anyone. Walk carefully around swings, slipping on the wet floor, so keep floor dry. And what is the rule 4? Wait for your turn. So, this safety rules you are going to write in your revision part 2 times children. Practice questions. From practice questions you are writing 2 questions and from workbook you are writing 1. So, totally you are going to write 3 question and answers, and the remaining answers you are going to learn. Describe an accident that can take place in your school toilet. Make a safety rule that can help prevent it. So slipping and falling on the toilet floor, so keep floor dry. You see some children trying to get ahead of other children on the slide. What will you do? I'll ask the children to wait for their turn. So learn all these answers children. Complete the revision part. Practice questions, 4 practice questions and S3 3 questions you have to learn, and 3 answers you are going to write in your revision part of your classwork. Okay children?